pet something else?
Yeah.
I kind of want to hold the snake again.
Me too.
And you take a video. Hold on. Can you point to the camera?
Yeah.
Hold on. Here.
I want to hold a snake.
Hold on. Yeah. You have to.
I'm going to do the snake.
Look at him.
What?
Point it down.
Do I press play?
Dude, it's already going, dude.
Can I hold the snake again?
Wait, let her hold it first. She hasn't gone yet, okay? I'm gonna pet the goat. I'm gonna pet the goat. The goat.
How do they feel it?
No, look, they can feel it when you touch their horns, though. Don't grab them, okay? You can, like, do this. Just don't grab them, because then they'll freak out.
Two. Look at it.
You want to hold the snake now? Gentle.
He's not moving.
Yeah, he's a little snake buddy.
That's why they call him a ball python.
There's a bug in my pants. They feel weird, don't they?
Yeah. He's moving a little.
They're a little squishy. You done?
Feel right here.
You done?
I want to feel its tummy.
Wait.
Oh, he's moving.
Don't scare it.
I accidentally scared it.
You want to give him back?
I want to feel its stomach. Well, where is its stomach?
Right there.
Its stomach is a squishy part.
It's time to give him back, okay?
Okay.
There you go. So,
There you go. Thank you.
you think we're done here? You need your shoe tied?
Yeah.
Hold on.
3 ice creams.
3 ice creams?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. Get your ice cream. It's ice cream. Get your ice cream.